Hello, Sasu Flavors family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Can you guess what I am pouring? I am going to show you in this video how I take the soursop leaves and make this soursop tea. If you've never heard of soursop or if you've never had soursop tea, soursop has lots of medicinal benefits, gut health benefits. It helps with your blood pressure, it helps with your gut health, like I said, and it also helps as an anti-cancer fighting property. It has those benefits. I got these leaves fresh from back home, and once I brought them, I let them dry out. Now you can purchase these leaves at international market, local, international section, Amazon. When you get them, make sure you wash them off. You're gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes so it seeps everything. If you have trouble sleeping at night, if you're anxious, restless, drink a cup of soursop tea before bed and you're gonna have such a restful sleep. Okay, it is bitter, and you know when things are bitter, those are the things that are good for you. You can add honey. I just sip mine just like this. Okay, just like this. This is the soursop tea. All the benefits to this tea will be in the description box of this video, and I hope you give it a try, and I'll see you next time. Bye.